In front of me is Honor Magic V2, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. Begin by simply holding your search bar and waiting for the pop-up to show up. When it does, click on it. Then confirm your choice by clicking on Remove in Remove Search Widget pop-up. Lastly, just wait. If you want to, you can also pinch your device's display. Then hold your search bar and drag it to Remove section at the top. When the search bar turns red, let go. Then tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!